Hello, my name is Ritul and I'm from Delhi itself, and I was diagnosed with dermoid cyst when I went for the ultrasound, and after that I came to Apollo to get diagnosed about it. So Dr. Harsh Dua gave me the reference of Dr. Paki Agarwal.
This patient, Ritul, a bright and bubbly 23-year-old, was detected with a complex ovarian cyst. This cyst had doubled in size in the last 6 months. She was very anxious because she doesn't stay in India, she stays in Dubai, and she wanted to know if there is something definitively that can be done for this which does not affect her fertility, as she is unmarried.
And this was the first time when we got to know that she is the one who does robotic surgery, and it was the first time we got to know about what robotic surgery is. Earlier we thought to remove dermoid cysts is mostly through laparoscopic surgery, but because of her we got to know about this new invention of robotic surgery and how it came to Apollo and how beneficial it is as compared to other surgeries which takes place. So this was the first time through which we got to know about this.
So I went in robotically and removed this complex cyst which contained hair, sebum, and it was a dermoid cyst, and preserved the normal ovarian tissue around it. And we were able to successfully complete this surgery in a short span of time. She made an uneventful recovery. She was up and about the next day, and within 24 hours of the surgery was fit to be discharged home.
And after that, when my surgery got done, it was pretty nice. She also told me to do fasting 2 days, 3 days before the surgery, and I could see the benefits of it. I could see that I'm not feeling bloated and I'm feeling pretty nice because of that. And the surgery also went pretty nice. She was able to save my ovaries, as she mentioned earlier.
Patient is very happy about this because this means she can travel back to Dubai and resume her work at the earliest.
So the experience with Dr. Paki was pretty good. She was able to understand my problem very nicely, and she was also able to help me with everything. And with Apollo also it was pretty nice. Everyone was super helpful, especially when it comes to nurses and all. They were there to take care of me 24/7, and I'll be thankful to Apollo and Dr. Paki and all the other members of Apollo.
Robotic surgery gives us this benefit, especially in young women who wish to preserve their fertility and also have very hectic work schedules. They are able to resume their normal activities without much break, without too much pain, and a short hospital stay.